What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto here, and today I'll be talking about investment strategies when investing in Cardano NFTs. I'll be talking about risk management, flipping, and long-term hold, and I'll be telling you some of my strategies that I use when investing in CNFTs. If you like the sound of that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, as I'm covering CNFTs every single day. And also, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as it helps the Cardano NFT space grow, and it also helps this video get out to more people. And while you're at it, make sure you follow me over on Twitter, at ApeCryptoYT, as I post news on the regular, and I also do daily giveaways, where you can win yourself some ADA, or you can win yourself an NFT. Just quickly before we get into this video, I'd like everyone watching this to pause and quickly do this for the benefit of CNFTs. So, as most of you may know, Opensea is the biggest NFT platform. It's where all the big Ethereum projects are, and they currently do not support Cardano NFTs. So what I have here, and what I have in the link in the description, is an OpenSea feedback portal where you can vote on existing ideas. So bang, and that's all it takes. By doing this, you're helping Cardano NFTs grow and increasing the likelihood of a listing on OpenSea, which would be absolutely massive for the whole ecosystem. The link will be in the description. Please make sure you do this for the benefit of the whole space. So the first thing I'd like to talk about is risk management and taking profits, which is of course often overlooked because of the whole stigma of the diamond hands and all this stuff. Yeah, of course, you do want diamond hands if you're supporting a project, and hodling an asset, whether it's a cryptocurrency or an NFT, can prove to be a good idea. And as we all know, selling early sucks. But risk management and taking profits is crucial for any investment. As cool as these shiny JPEGs are, you don't want to be taking a loss from these. So that's why taking profits and risk management is crucial. So let me give you an example of this. So we have Clay Nation. I minted 11 of these for 40 ADA. So I spent 440 ADA, which at the time was like 1,300, 1,400 Australian dollars. So just shy of $1,000 US. So to alleviate my risk and to manage it properly, I sold one Claymate for 1,000 ADA. So now, the remaining 10 Claymates I have virtually are a risk-free investment, and I've actually doubled my money, and I still have 10 Clays. So by doing this, I've alleviated my risk, I've taken profits, and now I can chill. I could sell more, and I could make a killing from this. If I sold my commons at 600 each, and some of my rare ones at 2,000, 3,000 each, I'd have well over 10,000 ADA, which is huge profits. But for me personally, I believe in Clay Nation, and I do think it is the blue chip CNFT project, so I'll be keeping my 10. And I'll slowly sell them off over time. But as of now, I do think the price can increase greatly. But what if it doesn't? I don't mind. I've already 2x my money, and I've got literally no risk. So I'm at easy with myself. So you'll find if you haven't been taking profits or you haven't minimized your risk, you'll be a bit on eggshells. You'll be looking at the price, you'll be seeing it drop, and you'll have FOMO. So that's why I personally am a big advocate of risk management and taking profits. Even though it sucks when you see the price of something go a lot higher than what you sold it for. But it's a perspective thing. Selling my clay for 1,000 ADA was a 25x on just one clay. And even though I could have 50x'd it when it went up to 2,000 ADA floor, I'm still happy I did that. Even though it sucks and I could have got more, but at the end of the day, my investment is risk-free and I've hit a 2x on my initial investment, which is crucial. You don't want to be losing money. So there's my insight on risk management and what I personally do and what I've personally done. But it's all circumstantial and it depends on the project. So there's 2,400 projects. You can't be doing the same thing with all of these. And yeah, that's true. So there's two types of investment strategies that you can use. There's flipping and there's long-term holding. And there's a couple of things that I look out for to decide whether it's a long-term hold or a flip. So with long-term holds, of course, you've got the utility aspect. If it's put in a game and actually has real-world value, that's looking more and more like it'll be a long-term hold. And if they have no utility and they're kind of just hype-based, like an avatar project or something, that might be a quick flip. But there's a few misconceptions about all this. So with Clay Nation, they don't really have an actual utility. They're not going to get put in a game or any of that. But I'm still more bullish on Clay Nation than I am on projects that do have utility. So why is this? If Clay Nation won't be used for anything, why am I bullish on it? Well, it's a circumstantial thing. So Clay Nation is the #1 project and the community is really crazy. So more likely than not, I do believe the price of this project will continue to grow as it's a blue chip project. As the CNFT space grows, Clay Nation will grow with it. And the same is with space bots. They're kind of like the Bitcoin and Ethereum out of all the cryptocurrencies. When the market dumps, they go down, and when the market goes up, they go up. I kind of see that in the future. So just because a project doesn't actually have utility, it doesn't mean it can't go up in value. What determines the value is how much people want it. So if you've got a cool avatar project and everyone wants it, the price will skyrocket. But if you've got a project that no one wants but it has awesome utility, it doesn't mean shit if no one's playing the game or wants any part of this. So demand is crucial. So what determines a long-term hold? So for me, Crypto Dino is a perfect example of this. 1, they have great art. 2, they have a great community. And 3, of course, they have long-term utility. And they have breeding on the way and they have a game. And so because of this creates value to the original dinos. Because you need to hold the dinos to get a piece of the pie with the breeding. And you need to hold the dinos to play the game. So in turn, this gives it value. As well as people just wanting a cute dinosaur in their CNFT wallet. So for me, Crypto Dino is my biggest long-term hold, along with Clay Nation and Space Buds if I had one. Another project that I actually like for long-term is Cardano City. This might be a little bit controversial because of just how quiet the team is and all that, but I do believe they can whip up a metaverse that can be something special, and it very well could be a household name on Cardano in the next coming years. Will it be? I don't know. But this comes back to risk management. I'm in a position where I can afford to hold these things. I've taken profits on Cardano City, so what I originally put in, I've got back, and the assets that I hold now, I pretty much couldn't care less what happened to them. Of course, yes, I hope it goes up, but if it doesn't, I'll be at no loss. And also, I'm in the position to do so. I've got enough ADA, and I'm sitting pretty. So if you're in a position where you need to pay rent, and you don't have enough because you're investing in CNFTs, unfortunately, your risk management is poor, and as promising as the CNFT space is, you might look like an idiot and you could be homeless very soon. So it's all about risk management when deciding to flip a project or to hold a project long term, along with getting familiar with metrics like their roadmap, their volume, their community, and the team. So you have it. That's kind of my investment strategies that I use. I'm a big advocate for risk management, as you can see, and although I'm not a financial advisor, I'd recommend when investing in CNFTs or any speculative asset, you do the same. Because things move fast, like many of you may have seen, and losing money is shit. I wasn't always like this, but after years of investing, I'd prefer to miss out on the potential of hitting a 1000x and cashing out a little bit of it when it's, say, 50x, to make sure I haven't lost any money, and to make my investment risk-free. You'd be surprised how easy you feel. You'd be surprised how much you sleep better when you've got risk-free investments, and you know you can't lose money. So let me know in the comment section below, what's your investment strategy? Are you all out? Do you mint these projects and not sell them until they're 1000x? Or are you a bit more conservative and you take profits? Or are you a long-term holder and you don't care about the short-term waves? Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked this video and most importantly you found it valuable, I'd appreciate it if you'd like this video, and I'd also appreciate it if you could subscribe and not just watch it and not subscribe, like these horrible people. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.